Yeah, so sometimes I make separate videos for those questions I get. So if you're interested in free fed leeches such as this one, please be sure to contact me. My email address is tsetsi@leeches.com. That's spelled TSETSI at leeches, LEECHES.com. Alright, so here we're taking him off by rubbing him with a little bit of water that I dip my finger on, because I want him off now. And if he doesn't get off now, this method with the water is not always proven effective, because water is not exactly toxic to them. Salt is toxic, vinegar, alcohol, big time, and maybe some acids such as lemon juice, vinegar, things like that. But I don't use salt water for detaching leeches. I use either just plain water, vinegar, or I just wiggle them around. Whew. And this guy's not gonna come off, is he? So let's. My aquarium wants to fall off of here. All right. So let's go get some vinegar. Whew. I've got apple cider vinegar by Bragg, which is my organic vinegar for salads. But in this case, I don't have the chemical store-bought vinegar, so this is the closest that it can get to being uncomfortable for the leech. Ah! You see? That's what I'm talking about. Now he's starting to throw up. Look! Look! He's not happy about that vinegar. We shouldn't have done it that way. We should have waited for him. Now he's like, oh my god, what's going on? I certainly don't like this. But he'll deal with it somehow. He's going in some clean water now, so he'll be okay. He's gonna stop throwing up. Look. And this is not even big time throwing up. This is just a little bit. If they really start throwing up, all of their blood is gonna be all over my hand, and it's going to be like dark red, like this color, even darker. And right now we just got the light blood, light red. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. And look, I'm bleeding like crazy. Thank you so much for visiting, and we'll see you next time. From me,